guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I need to speak louder because apparently it started raining hard here and I don't know if the rain will stop. So before I begin with this video, hey, what's up butterflies, and welcome back to our channel. Now for today's video, as you can tell from the title, this is my 2 weeks update by using the body scrub from GLUTA-C. Have you seen my latest video from the GLUTA-C products? I'll put the link here or here, I think. Click nyo lang yun after you watch this video, alright? As you all know, having glutathione and papaya enzyme helps our skin to be more whiter. So by the way guys, this is a non-irritating body scrub that deep cleanse and exfoliate our skin. Plus, effectively whiten also our skin. Alright, so this body scrub, you need to use it daily. Yes, you heard me right. It's a gentle body scrub naman siya. So you don't need to be worried that you're scrubbing too much. So take note, it doesn't have microbeads. If you feel that anything yung beads na yun, hindi siya microbead. Having a microbead in the product, it kinda destroy our ocean. So, pag nagde-drain siya sa water, naiiwan yung particles na yun. And some fishes, kinakain yun. So, what I love about the GLUTA-C body scrub, aside it's a whitening product, it's also a paraben-free product and FDA approved. I just want to show you a little bit how it will even your skin tone. So, ito yung scrub. Ayan. Let's scrub it like this. So, just, ayan, lagyan natin dito. So, as you can see, slowly and slowly, hindi siya mag-focus dun sa hand. Ayan. It whitens, remove your... Si Shopee, nabubuking ako eh. Nagsha-Shopee. Aloka. Okay, so if you keep scrubbing gentle, as you can see, the skin tone, super malayo. Oh. Okay, I think that's enough. So as you can see, ito yung mga beads niya. Pero wala siyang microbeads ha. It's a microbeads free product. Pero ito yung parang mga whitening ano niya. Whitening glutathione beads. Ganon. Okay? So i-compare natin sa dalawa. As you can see here, oh, may pinagkaiba and nag-lighten up konti dito. Now let me, sige, wipes na lang. I'll just take it off with a wipes. Okay? Grabe. Ang bango niya, guys. Super. I really love this product kasi it's super duper duper mabango. Okay? Compare nyo na. Nakikita nyo, medyo nag-white. As nakikita nyo, nag-whiten yung banda dito ko. Oh. Compare dito. Medyo nag-ano pa. Meron pa ako nung tan color here. Yan. Kaya yun na din napansin ko because I was trying to scrub yung knee parts ko and even my underarm, guys, and your inner thighs. When you try to apply it and scrubbing it, makikita nyo medyo nagla-lighten up. Then you wash it off. Hindi siya yung super white, pero nakita mo yung difference from the first wash to the second wash and then the next day to the next day. Ganun siya ka-effective. Okay, medyo bumababa na yung camera ko. Wait lang, guys. And so as you can see, every day may nakikita kayong improvement. Kaya dito ako na medyo namangha. But to be honest with you, price-wise, medyo expensive siya. It only have, this contain 120 grams and 110 pesos siya sa market. So dun sa isang body scrub na sinasabi ko, wala pa siya sa supermarket, guys. Medyo nag-out of stock na sila. But I hope soon magkakaroon sila kasi that was a really more cheaper compared to this one. But the whitening effect for that one, it takes a little bit longer than ito. So 2 weeks ko na guys, ito na yung ginagamit ko. I'm using it also sa arm area ko, sa back area ko kasi may back knee pa ako. And sa knees, buong problem ko yung knee area ko talaga ang problem. So, yun yung pinofocus ko, siyang mag-whitens. One of you DM me if this can be used sa face. As you can see, nakalagay na included dito body scrub. And I know face is part of our body, okay? Pero hindi. Body scrub cannot be used sa face kasi iba yung consistency ng body scrub kaysa sa facial scrub. Body scrub is more thicker. So, yung consistency niya mas thicker kaysa sa facial scrub. But the consistency and the cream product of this one, it's only for our body parts. It's not for the face. So be very careful guys ha. You can purchase a face scrub. Mapapansin nyo yun, yung face scrub natin is medyo maliquid kaysa dun sa mga beads na scrub niya aside sa body scrub because our skin sa face is more thinner than our body area. But body scrub is for body scrub, face scrub is for face scrub. Alright? So within 2 weeks, you can definitely see the difference between your skin before sa ngayon. I compare my knee area, medyo nag-lighten nga siya. And napansin ko, mas lalo siya naging smoother. Wala na yung parang guhit na harsh lines. Although meron pa, hindi siya yung super lala. Alam mo yun. So I can see the product is really working. And lastly, yung product packaging niya, very detailed guys. I can tell you, it's very detailed. You don't need to ask a lot of questions. Benefits of the product is already listed here. The ingredients is also listed here. Even the manufacturer date, even the application, how will you use the product, nandito na rin guys, okay? So everything you want to know with the product, it's already here. The product claims, again, it's a non-irritating scrub and it's a whitening body scrub. So, effective? Yes, guys. I'm telling you. If you watch my earlier video about this product, about GLUTA-C, it's not full. It's half full, half empty. So, there. So, medyo konti na lang siya. Nakikita pa sa camera. Yan. Ganyan na lang siya kakonti, guys. For my 2 weeks. See? Ganyan na lang siya kakonti because I use it every day. So, take note. You can use this scrub every day, not twice a week kasi hindi siya harsh. It's a very, very gentle scrub. So it is okay and you need to use it every day if you really want to see that results. Okay? So there you all, butterflies. I hope you like this video. This is my update video about using the body scrub of GLUTA-C. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We're already on 11,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next week.